Imagine you're running a bustling restaurant. Orders are pouring in, customers are waiting, and the pressure is on. You need a POS system that can keep up, that's reliable, and that can adapt to your changing needs. But what if that system was tied to a physical server in your restaurant? What if a power outage or hardware failure brought your entire operation to a standstill? The cloud versus on-premise POS. Today, we're diving into the world of point-of-sale systems, and we're going to answer a crucial question. Is TouchBistro POS cloud-based? Let's start by understanding the difference between cloud-based and on-premise POS systems. On-premise systems are installed directly on hardware within your restaurant. This hardware, usually a server, stores all your POS data. Think of it like having your own personal computer at home. It's powerful, but it's also limited by its physical capabilities. Cloud-based POS systems, on the other hand, are hosted on remote servers managed by the POS provider. Your data is stored and processed in the cloud, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. It's like renting a supercomputer that's always available, no matter where you are. TouchBistro, a cloud-based solution. So, is TouchBistro cloud-based? The answer is yes. TouchBistro is a leading cloud-based POS solution designed specifically for the restaurant industry. Here's why going cloud-based with TouchBistro is a game changer. 1. Accessibility. With TouchBistro, you can access your POS system from anywhere with an internet connection. This means you can manage your business, check sales, and even make changes to your menu remotely. It's perfect for restaurant owners who are always on the go. 2. Scalability. As your restaurant grows, your POS needs will change. TouchBistro is highly scalable, meaning it can easily adapt to your expanding business. Whether you're opening a new location or simply increasing your sales volume, TouchBistro can handle it. 3. Reliability. Cloud-based systems are typically more reliable than on-premise systems. TouchBistro servers are housed in data centers with redundant power supplies and backup systems, ensuring that your POS system is always up and running. 4. Security. Data security is a major concern for any business, and TouchBistro takes it very seriously. The company employs advanced security measures to protect your sensitive customer and financial data. 5. Updates and support. TouchBistro regularly updates its software to add new features and improve performance. This means you'll always have access to the latest technology. Additionally, TouchBistro provides excellent customer support, ensuring that you have the help you need when you need it. Additional benefits of cloud-based POS. Beyond the core benefits mentioned above, cloud-based POS systems offer several other advantages, including cost-effective. Cloud-based systems can often be more cost-effective than on-premise systems, as you don't have to invest in expensive hardware and maintenance. Disaster recovery. In the event of a disaster, such as a fire or flood, your data will be safe in the cloud. Integration. Cloud-based POS systems can easily integrate with other business applications, such as accounting software and online ordering platforms. So, if you're looking for a reliable, scalable, and secure POS system for your restaurant, TouchBistro is definitely worth considering. Its cloud-based architecture offers numerous benefits, from accessibility and scalability to reliability and security. With TouchBistro, you can focus on running your restaurant, knowing that your POS system has you covered. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the world of restaurant technology.